Okay, so give me your top five.
Top five what? Basketball players?
Yeah.
Obviously Jordan.
Okay, number one. Who's your number two?
Larry Bird.
Oh man, that was a bad motherfucker. God damn. Hey, you ever went on YouTube and listened to his trash talking?
Larry Bird was the shit back in the day.
Oh man, couldn't nobody fuck with Larry Bird. Larry Bird. Larry Bird, man. Okay, you're number three.
Oh fuck. Let's go Pete Maravich.
Four.
Wilt Chamberlain.
Five.
Damn.